Okay, the first thing to do is go to the search bar and type in cockatoo. Then, press Enter. And you'll land on this page. Scroll down and click on the first link. Here you can click on Get Started Free, or sign in or create an account. Next, enter your email address and password. I'm going to use my Google account. Once you have finished registering, you will land on this page. Here you can see my Google account. Then, click on the Upload button. Click on this panel to select your file. Here, I select my file. You can see that the upload has started. Once it's done, click on View Transcript, and here is the transcription of your audio.